Welcome to our channel. Flood damage isn't covered by standard homeowners insurance, so separate flood insurance is essential in many areas. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get proper protection. Step 1. Understand that homeowners insurance doesn't cover flood damage. Even if you're not in a high-risk flood zone, flooding can happen anywhere. Step 2. Visit floodsmart.gov to find your property's flood zone using FEMA's flood map tool. This helps you understand your risk and whether flood insurance is required by your lender. Step 3. Be aware of the 30-day waiting period before flood insurance takes effect. Don't wait for a storm tobe forecast, as you can't buy coverage once flooding is imminent. Step 4. Get quotes from the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance companies. Private insurers sometimes offer higher coverage limits and more flexibility than NFIP. Step 5. Understand coverage limits. NFIP covers up to $250,000 for the building and $100,000 for contents. Private policies may offer higher limits. Step 6. Decide whether to purchase contents coverage in addition to building coverage. The NFIP separates these, so you must specifically elect contents coverage. Step 7. Document your home and belongings with photos and videos before buying coverage. This documentation will be invaluable if you ever need to file a claim. Step 8. Ask about flood mitigation discounts. Elevating utilities, installing flood vents, or other improvements may qualify you for lower premiums under NFIP or private policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.